You may have just started your new home search and are leaning toward a ranch-style home in a community with beautiful curb appeal. Hi, my name is Missy, and Hickory Hollow is a perfect option for you. Let me tell you why. Located within tax-friendly Delaware, Hickory Hollow offers a community for homeowners in all stages of life that want to enjoy first-floor living and a low-maintenance lifestyle. The kitchens are planned with entertaining in mind and feature spacious islands, 42-inch cabinetry, and professionally designed interior color palettes to bring your dream kitchen to life. A spacious owner's suite and 2 other bedrooms are conveniently located off the main living area. Plus, all Ryan homes are built with a 10-year structural warranty, so there's less time tending to the home repairs you'd have in an older resale home. Oh, and the best part is, spacious finished basements are available. Gone are the days of worrying about keeping up with your lawn. Included maintenance means that you can spend your free time doing the things you enjoy most. Hickory Hollow offers both convenience and small-town charm, just minutes from Routes 1 and 13 and 2 miles from historic downtown Smyrna. Be sure to try the Sunday brunch at the Lemon Leaf Cafe. The Eggs Benedict are my favorite. You can easily commute to Delaware beaches, New York City, Philly, and even the Baltimore area. But hurry, Hickory Hollow is in its final phase, so now is the time to schedule a one-on-one appointment with me so I can show you why Hickory Hollow is one of Kent County's most popular communities.